What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy cubic zirconia beaded hand chain. First, begin by cutting your chain. Next, using your set of pliers, open up your jump rings and attach it to the last link of the chain. Then attach your clasp and close up the jump ring. And on the opposite side, just attach one jump ring. Open it up with your set of pliers, put it onto the last link of the chain, and close it up. And this will be the base of the bracelet that goes around your wrist. Next, I'll be cutting the CZ that's going to be going along my hand. After measuring out the length, you can go ahead and cut that chain off. And using your set of pliers, open up your jump ring and attach it to the middle of the chain and then onto the CZ and close the jump ring up. Next, we'll be attaching the chain that will be going around our middle finger, connecting to the CZ chain. So right around there. Go ahead and cut that extra link off. And then using your set of pliers, go ahead and open up a jump ring and then go ahead and attach the two sides of the chain onto the jump rings. Just like that. And then close up the jump ring. And it's so important to pass the ring and hear that click, because if the jump ring is even slightly open, it will cause this chain to slip off of it because it is such a fine chain. So you want to make sure that's one of the most important things to do while you're making this piece. And that's all you need to do in order to create this hand chain. I'll be sure to link all the parts that I use to make this piece down below in the description, so you can just click the link and shop. All the rings that I'm wearing in this video are also available to shop on the website at wholesale prices for resale purposes. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you guys in the next one.